Hey everyone, and welcome back. In this video, I'll quickly show you how to convert a Canva website to WordPress. First, open Chrome on your computer. In the search bar, type Canva, open the official website, and log in. Create your website project in Canva. Next, open WordPress and log into your account. Once you're on your dashboard, go to the section where you want to add your website. For example, a blog post or page. Now, go back to Canva and click on the Share button. Select Embed and you'll see two code options. Copy one of the embed links. Then, return to WordPress, search for custom HTML, click on it, and paste the copied embed code there. Finally, click Preview to see your Canva website live on WordPress. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update.